Today I'll be telling you why it is a good idea to invest in dividend stocks. You don't want to miss out. Hey everybody! Welcome back to Investing with Andrew YouTube channel. I'm Andrew and I make videos about financial education. If you're a new viewer, I want to thank you for checking out my video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the like button to support the channel. Also hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos. Before I start, I want to mention that I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. With that being said, let's go! If you've watched my past videos, you might know what they are, but if you're new here, dividend stocks are stocks that give extra money that kind of acts like a thanks from the company for buying their stock. The more you buy, the more dividends get paid out to you. Alright, since you know what dividends are, let's get right into why you should invest in dividend stocks. First reason, you earn extra money. Don't get me wrong, doesn't everyone like extra money? Well, I know I do. Let's use McDonald's stock for example. The current annual dividend yield in the time of recording of McDonald's is 2.16%, and the quarterly dividend amount is $1.38. But they will only give the full amount of dividend if you buy a full stock. If you buy even more, then you would get more than $1.38. You might think that's not actually a lot of money, but it actually is. If you invest in that stock for a long time and don't sell it, you might get a lot of money from dividends. Second reason, you earn money when the stock is dropping down. All stocks drop down and you might lose some money, but if it's a dividend stock, then you will earn back the money whenever the dividends pay out. Third reason, if you invest in many dividend stocks, you will earn a lot of money. When you invest in many dividend stocks, it's even better because all the money added up from dividend payments is going to be a lot once you invest in a lot of dividend stocks. Fourth reason, and the last one, companies might raise dividend payments. Sometimes companies may raise their dividend payments, then you'll get a lot of money. So that is why you should invest in dividend stocks. Alright, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one.
Boy, if you don't...
Peace! Hey everybody! Welcome back to Investing with Andrew YouTube channel. I'm Andrew and I make videos about financial...
They gon' take your face off. They gon' rumble. They gon' take your face off.
It's about drive. It's about power.